In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Teams for your organization through the admin portal. This is a great first step if you're getting ready to roll out Teams across your company or school environment. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. By the end of this process, Microsoft Teams will be turned on for your organization and you'll be ready to continue with the next stage of setup. To get started, open your web browser and go to admin.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which is where organization-wide settings are managed. Once the page loads, sign in using your global administrator account. You'll need the correct admin level permissions here because standard user accounts typically won't be able to make organization-wide changes like enabling Teams. If your sign-in process includes multi-factor authentication, just complete that as usual and continue into the portal. After you're signed in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side, click on Settings, and then choose Org Settings. This section contains service-level controls for the tools available in your Microsoft 365 environment, so this is where we need to be. Next, scroll through the list of available services until you find Microsoft Teams, then click on it. Depending on your environment, there may be several services listed here, so take your time and make sure you select the correct one. When the Teams settings panel opens, locate the main switch and turn it on to enable Microsoft Teams for all user types in your tenant. This is the key action that activates Teams at the organization level. If Teams was previously disabled, this change allows users to begin accessing the service based on their licensing and policy assignments. At this point, you can also customize any specific messaging, calling, or collaboration settings you want to allow right now. These options help you shape the initial Teams experience for your users. If you already know the communication features your organization wants to support, this is a good time to adjust them. If not, you can keep the defaults for now and fine-tune them later as your rollout continues. Once you've reviewed those settings, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes. Make sure you wait for the confirmation that your update has been accepted before leaving the page, and that's it. Microsoft Teams is now enabled for your organization. You're ready to move on to the next stage, so be sure to watch part 2 where you'll learn how to set up your first team.